plus negative 7 equals 30. So you're going to add positive 7 to each side to get rid of this 7.
Yeah, I know.
So x equals 37.
Alright, so number 2 is negative 20 equals x plus 8. Or x minus 8. What I always do is do plus negative 8. Now I'm going to add 8 to each side. And that's going to be negative 12 equals x. So x equals negative 12. And that's the answer. Okay, number 3 is negative 10 plus x equals negative 6. I'm going to add 10 to each side. Which is x equals 4. That's the answer.
Okay, problem number 5. 6x minus 24 equals 3x plus 36. First, we're going to take away the 24. So you add 24 to each side. And you get 6x equals 3x plus 60. Then you take away this 3x, so you take away 3x from each side. And you get 3x equals 60. Divide 3 each by 3, and you get x equals 20.
So number 6 is 5x minus 45 equals 10x minus 15. I always do, if it's minus, I do plus negative. And then, so first step, I'm going to minus 5x from each side. So that's negative 45 equal to 5x plus negative 15. Now I'm going to add 15 to each side. And that's going to be negative 30 equals 5x. Now, divide by 5, each one. And you get x equals negative 6 for your answer.
So number 7, 3x minus 18 equals negative 9x minus 36. Start out by adding 18 to each side, so we do with 3x equals negative 9x minus 18. You're in the way. So from here you can add 9x to each side, so you end up with. So then you end up with 12x equals negative 18. 18 divided by negative 18 divided by 12 is negative 1.5. So that equals x.
Okay, number 8 is negative 2 times x minus 5. What I always do to make the signs equal on both sides is plus negative 5. So what I did first is change it so it looks better, like so there's no parentheses. So negative 2x plus 10, because negative 2 times negative 5 is 10. And then equals 3x plus 30. Now what I'm going to do is minus 10 from each side. And that leaves us with 2x, negative 2x, equals 3x plus 20. Then I subtract 3x from each side. And that's negative 5x equals 20. And so x equals -4.
A third of 9x plus 12 equals 3/4 of 16x plus 12. So use the distributive property, take out the parentheses, so you end up with 3x plus 4 equals 12x plus 9. From here, take away 3x from each side. You end up with 4 equals 9x plus 9. Okay, so from here you take away 9 from each side. Leaving you with -5 equals 9x.
Yes, it is.
So, what do I do from here? Oh,
That
yes.
definitely sounds like you know what you're doing.
I do sometimes. So then, 9 divided by 5, and divided by -5 is -1 and 4 fifths, which is equal to x.
3/5 of 10x plus 25 equals 1/5 of 15x minus 25. So first you want to change the minus 25 to a plus -25. Then use the distributive property and do 3/5 of 10x plus 25. So 1/5 of 10x is 2x times 3 is 6x plus 3/5 of 25, which is 15, equals 1/5 of 15x, which is 5x, plus 3x, which is plus -1/5 of -25, which is -5. Okay, so now you're going to get rid of this 3x, so you take away 3x from each side. And you get 3x plus 15 equals -5.
Way bigger.
Then you're going to take away 15 from each side. So 3x equals -20. (3x) divided by 3 equals x, and 20 divided by 3, or negative divided by 3 equals -6 and 2/3. So here's x equals -6 and 2/3.